Welcome student. Today we will learn about pollination. Pollen transfer. Pollination. It is a process. Pollination defined as transfer of pollen grain from mature anther lobe to the receptive stigma of same flower or another flower bearing on same plant or another plant of same species. We call it as a pollination. Pollination is defined as a transfer of pollen grain from mature anther lobe. From these mature anther lobe means anther lobe should be mature. Means anther lobe should dehisce. If the anther lobe dehisce, these pollen grain come out. Transfer of these pollen grain from mature anther lobe to the receptive stigma. To the receptive stigma. This one, receptive stigma. Stigma should be receptive, means that gynoecium should be mature. Transfer of pollen grain from mature anther lobe to the receptive stigma of same flower, or another flower bearing on same plant, or another plant. One plant is a male plant, second plant is another plant. On another plant of same species. Species should be same, known as pollination. We call it as pollination, transfer of pollen grain, paragaman. Means pollination we define as transfer of pollen grain from mature anther lobe to the receptive stigma of same flower or another flower bearing on same plant or another plant of same species. We call it as a pollination. Pollination are of two types. One is a self pollination and second one is the cross pollination. Here self pollination means pollination carried out in a same flower. Self pollination here. Cross pollination, pollination between, like these are two flowers like this. We call it as what? Cross pollination. Self pollination are of two types. One is the autogamy and second one is the geitonogamy. Here auto means self and is a gamous means a marriage, self marriage. Pollination carried out within the flower. Pollination carried out in bisexual flower means such a flower in which androecium and gynoecium, these both whorls are present and their maturity period is the same. In such a pollination, self pollination is the rule, and there is a transfer of pollen grain from mature anther lobe to the receptive stigma of what, that is the same flower. See here. In case of these Delaunix regia, gulmohar, this is a flower. It consists of androecium and it consists of gynoecium. This flower is a mature flower and there is a transfer of pollen grain from mature anther lobe to the receptive stigma of the same flower. We call it as auto, means self, gamy means marriage, self marriage, autogamy. It is a type of self pollination. Autogamy, auto means self, gamous means marriage, self pollination. Here geitonogamy. Geitonogamy, it is also an example of this self type of what? Self pollination. Geiteno means neighbor. Geiteno means what here? Neighbor, padosi. And gamous means marriage with the neighbor, like this. See here in this example, in this twig, here some flowers they are present here and some flowers they are present here. Now transfer of pollen grain from mature anther lobe of this flower to the receptive stigma of another flower. But these both flowers they are bearing on same plant or on same branch or on same twig. Such type of pollination we call it as a geitonogamy. What is it? Geitonogamy, marriage with a neighbor, like this. Geitonogamy. Geiton here means a neighbor and gamy means a marriage, like this. These are two flowers, they are present on the same branch or on the same plant or on the same twig. That is a geitonogamy. Functionally it appears as a cross pollination, means transfer of pollen grain from one flower to another. It appears as a cross pollination, but it is not a cross pollination. It is a self pollination, because the genetic makeup of this flower and the genetic makeup of this flower is the same, because they are present on same plant or on the same tree. Means functionally it appears as a cross pollination, but genetically it is a similar. Their genetic material or the genetic makeup is the same, due to which there is a type of pollination, we call it as a geitonogamy, which is a type of self pollination. Means a self pollination is of two types. One is the autogamy and second one is the geitonogamy. Now see here, this is autogamy. There are some example. Oxalis is one example. In such a type of that plant, two type of flowers they are present on that plant. One Cashmogamous type of flower, means such type of flower in which androecium and gynoecium, these sexual organs, they are exposed in the air. Such type of flower we call it as a Cashmogamous flower. Here Cashmo means exposed anther and stigma, like this. Exposed anther and stigma. And second type of flowers they are also present in this plant, Commelina and Oxalis. These are the two examples of these self-pollinated plant. Bears two type of flower. One is the Cashmogamous flower and second one is the Clistogamous type of that flower. In case of Clistogamous, here Clisto means close petal or close flower. Means flowers are close. They are present in the roots. In case of Clistogamous flower, the flower which present near the roots, that flowers are closed, like this, means their petals are closed. Androecium and gynoecium, they are present inside the closed petal, and self pollination is the rule. Androecium and gynoecium both they mature inside the closed petal, and self pollination is the rule in case of this Clistogamous type of this is a flower. Now see here, next type of pollination we call it as, means one that is the self pollination and second one is the cross pollination. This cross pollination is also we call it as a xenogamy, or we call it as a allogamy. Here a geno means a stranger. Geno means what? Stranger. Means one flower present in one plant and another flower it is bearing on another plant. So it is a stranger for these. The pollen grain get a transfer from one flower to another flower. Means second plant is a stranger for this one plant. So geno means a stranger, gamous means a marriage with a stranger, means with unknown, like this, but of the same species. Or allogamy, for example in case of papaya plant, male plant bears male flower and female plant it bears only female flower. In male plant only androeciums are present, in the female plant only gynoeciums are present. When androecium and gynoecium get mature in case of a papaya plant, transfer of pollen grain from mature anther lobe to the receptive stigma of what? Another receptive stigma of another flower, but it is present on another plant, on the female plant. Such type of pollination we call it as a cross pollination, or we call it as a xenogamy, or we call it as what? Allogamy. See here one example. This one plant, and this one is the another plant, like this. Both these plants is of Delaunix regia. So transfer of pollen grain from one flower to another flower. These two plants, one plant present here and another plant present here, like this. These two plants are different, but transfer of pollen grain from mature anther lobe to the receptive stigma of another flower, but bearing on another plant, different plant, then such type of pollination we call it as what? Cross pollination, or we call it as what? Xenogamy, or we call it as what? Xenogamy. Now transfer of pollen grain from mature anther lobe, from this Delaunix regia, Gulmohar. Transfer of pollen grain from mature anther lobe of this gulmohar or Delaunix regia of this flower to this one Trichomas trans. Is it pollination or pollination gets success in case of these two different species? No. So species should be same. Delaunix regia or Trichomas trans. So species should be same like this. So pollination is the process in which there is a transfer of pollen grain from mature anther lobe to the receptive stigma of same flower or another flower bearing on same plant or another plant of same species. We call it as pollination. Dear student, if you want to take a snap or if you want to take a shot of this screen, please take it. Thank you.